Hey love, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I'll walk you through a step-by-step process for an eyeliner application. It is products for beginners and anyone needing to refine their technique. So with steps by choosing the right product. A pencil liner works for a softer look. A gel liner gives you control. And a liquid liner is ideal for sharp defined lines. So begin with a clean eyelid and apply primer or powder to prevent smudging. Mapping makes the process easier. Look straight into the mirror and mark a small dot or line where you'd like your wing to end. Following the natural angle of your lower lash line usually create the most flattering shape. Connect the tip of the line back towards your lash line, forming a small triangle. Now, line the upper lash line. Start at the center and walk outward with small strokes, connecting to the ring. Then go back to the inner corner and carefully complete the line. Fill in any gaps and thicken the line if needed. To sharpen the edge, use a cutting swab with remover or art concealer along the wing for a crease finish. Now for wooded eyes, apply the wing with your eyes open to check placement. For everyday wear, keep the line thin. For bold effects, extend the wing and thicken the outer edge. So I'll go ahead and do that for my other eye and finish up with my makeup. And that's the complete eyeliner application process. With practice, you'll be able to create natural and dramatic looks. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorial.